Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Paradisiac Beach Club located in St. Ann. Now this is a massive development. It's being built right across from the famous Richmond Estate. And Richmond Estate is the number one development in Jamaica and maybe even the Caribbean. Unbelievable. When you visit that development, you wouldn't believe you're in Jamaica. I recommend everybody to check out those videos. Now this development is hundreds of homes. It's on the side of the road with the beach, and they are going to have 5 different kind of units. You have the Ruby, which is a 3-bedroom unit. You have the Onyx, which is also 3 bedrooms. You have the Diamond, which is 4 bedrooms. You have the Sapphire, which is 1 and 2 bedrooms, but these units are 3 floors. And then you have the Emerald, which is 2 and 3 bedrooms, which is also 3 floors. And this development is going to have 5 beaches. Massive development. It's, as we said, it's located in St. Ann, and you have access to this development from the Northern Coastal Highway. This kind of development is another reason why that road has to be expanded, because the demand for the number of cars that use that road it's just going to increase. So the aim of the Paradisiac Beach Club is to achieve excellence and exceed expectations in all aspects. Now, according to the developers, Paradisiac Beach Club, the jewel of the Caribbean, was conceptualized to satisfy a demand for luxury hybrid residences that exudes pristine quality in an air of perfection, with sun-soaked serene skyline view and picturesque ambience. So this is definitely a luxury resort. Now, the Paradisiac Beach Club is being developed by an established company located in St. Ann, Jamaica, known as Manukai Development Company Limited. Manukai Development has been involved in several projects across the island, primarily in St. Ann. They have constructed developments such as Great Pond Estate, Manukai Oaks, and recently Pyramid Point. The concept of Paradisiac Beach Club has basically, they just wanted to do a luxury development. Alright guys, enjoy the tour as we give you an update on this development, and leave your comments in the section below. Now, St. Ann is seeing some serious developments, and just up the road you have Draxall, which is taking things to another level. This development is closer to Richmond, but it's you definitely have access from the Northern Coastal Highway. Now, this level of development in Jamaica is unprecedented, especially on the North Coast. From hotels to residential units, and these units are perfect for Airbnb rentals. Jamaica is on the go. Definitely, I have never seen this level of development before. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.